morning, welcome back to my channel. My name's Rachel and this is Stitched Up. And today this could all go wrong because I am back with another Think Pink subscription box unboxing, and I've got a little helper with me today. What are we going to do? We're going to open this together. So this is my granddaughter Layla. She's 15 months old and she's wearing Me Made. We're both wearing Me Made today. So Layla is wearing the indigo dress by Tilly and the Buttons, and she's also wearing some lightning leggings by Waves and Wild. I'm wearing the Donny shirt with my Megan Nielsen Dawn jeans, and we're going to open this lovely box. So this is the subscription box from Andrea. I can't remember what number we are on, and we're going to open it together. It came yesterday. Layla's staying with us for the weekend, so we are heading off to see some fishes in a little while, aren't we? But I've kept this. I've asked Bronte permission if we can unbox this together, because obviously you're my granddaughter, not my daughter, aren't you? So anyway, yeah, Bronte knows that Layla is appearing on screen. But yes, we did this a few months ago when she was a little bit smaller, but she's a little bit bigger now, and I don't know so far how well she's going to be while we do this, but we shall see, can't we? What can you see on that screen? Can you see baby Layla and Nana? Can you? Are you going to wave to everybody? Can you wave and say hello to everybody? Can you do that? She can wave when she feels like it. So let's have a look what's inside this month's subscription box. Shall we see what's inside? Now then, what have we got in here? So we've got a lovely postcard that says, if you need me, I'll be under a sun hat, which is lovely. And we've got a QR code on the back. Look at that beautiful sunshine and the palm trees. So we've got a QR code on the back which helps you look at the ebook that Andrew does every month. Isn't that beautiful? Is that pretty? Layla likes the postcard, clearly. And then inside, what else have we got in here? We have, all beautifully wrapped in tissue paper, our gorgeous contents of this month's subscription box. Are you going to help me? You're going to help me open it. So inside, what do we have, Layla? We've got some thread. You can just see Martin in the background as well. We've got some thread which matches your beauty. No, you can't eat that, sweetheart. It matches Layla's beautiful dress. So we've got gorgeous blue thread, which, oh, I can see the fabric already and it's amazing. Oh, look at this. What's that? We have a pack of buttons. Look at those colours. Oh my word. So there's a pack of assorted buttons in here, all different. And they are absolutely gorgeous. Different colours, well, different shades of teals and turquoise. Just like the sea. It's just like the sea. And then we have chocolate. Layla likes chocolate. So this is white chocolate. Does it say popping candy on it? Let's see. White chocolate popping candy, which is gluten-free and alcohol-free. And it's made in Weymouth, which is in Dorset, which is where Andrea lives now. Oh, wow. And I think it's blue. Look at this. Shall we open it and see? Layla's just had breakfast, so it's not quite chocolate time yet. Wow, look at that. Oh, look at those colours. Look at those. What colours are these, Layla? We've got pink. That's what she thinks of the chocolate. We have pink, yellow and blue. Yeah, lovely chocolate. We shall try that later. And then the fabric. That's the thread. That's to sew it all together. So I was really excited to open this because I've seen everybody's reactions to this fabric already and been informed that Andrea has totally knocked it out of the park this month, which is absolutely right. Look at this. So we have, I am assuming, 2.5 meters of fabric. There are 3 colorways. It's a viscose, I think it's a viscose twill, I think. Look at this beautiful fabric, Layla. thread. What do you think? Look at all those beautiful tropical colours. I think Layla really likes it. This is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So I don't know what the other colourways are of this fabric. Where is she? Where's Layla? I can see you. Are we hiding? Are we hiding? There she is. Yes, beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. So 2.5 meters here, and I know Ruan's done an unboxing already. Can you see yourself? But I haven't watched it yet because obviously I've not opened my box, but I am already thinking that Ruan will have opened this. I don't know what colourway she's got. I'm going to go and watch it now, and she'll probably be making a saltwater slip. That's all I'm going to say about that. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Really quick one today because obviously my little helper has the patience of a toddler, shall we say, and I don't know how long she's going to be quite comfortable doing this. So we will go get this in the wash. We need to put this in the wash, don't we, to pre-wash it before we think about what we're going to make with that. Look at those colours of the seaside. Aren't they pretty? So it's a madhouse here this morning, as you can probably tell. I'm going to leave it there, guys. But I hope you enjoyed my very quick unboxing with my gorgeous little granddaughter. And I'll be back with you soon. Oh, and Mr. Piper. See ya. Take care. Bye-bye. You're going to wait.